Yo, what's up everybody? Today I'm out here in the city of Chester in Delaware County, just south of Philadelphia. And I'm out here fishing and I see Rhododendron Walk. And I've fished here for a long time, years, and I've never seen this, so I had to take a video. I'm a little out of breath, you have to bear with me here, but I had to show this. So all these rhododendrons right by the creek. Look at the colors, man, unbelievable. And this section is real fragrant. And I don't know if these rhododendrons are fragrant or if there's some other flowers, all kind of cool stuff. This might be, Chester Park might butt up against an arboretum, I'm not sure. Look in the description below. By the time I post this, I'll have some more information. But it's well maintained here. And I believe there might be some type of society that takes care of this, or an arboretum. But this is really cool, and I've never seen this particular color on rhododendron. It's like an off-white with a little pink in it. Really cool, and these flowers aren't huge. I've seen bigger flowers on some of the rhododendrons, but they're not that big. See, I'll put my hand for size, my small reel for size here. But look at the color, look at this thing, it's huge, gigantic. And look at this one. Look at that. Look how cool. I don't know what I'm stepping in, but I'm going for it. But look how awesome that looks. Look at these colors. I've never seen colors like that on a rhododendron. Yeah, really cool. Well, fall while I'm recording this. Look at that. Look at the colors. There's a touch of pink up in there. Really, really cool. This is like a hidden gem. Rhododendron Walk in Chester Park. And it looks like there's a walking trail, like right here. Some kind of walking trail. Let me see if there's any more. Yeah, there's one there. Oh yeah, there's more. Look how peaceful this is, man. You can't be mad. You can't be mad walking in here. You need to find yourself, go to Chester Park, walk around, go fishing, do something, even if it's wrong. You know? Look at this. See if I can walk across this without falling. Look at that. Just a giant rhododendron. Okay. There's another pink one. This is something this is a color that I normally see. Oh, look at that. Man, look at that. Good Lord. That is unbelievable. Getting attacked by bugs in here. Rhododendron Walk. We got some wetlands here. That looks like an azalea. Yeah, that's an azalea. Let's go zoom in. Look at that swamp. You know I'm gonna get dirty. Yeah, that's an azalea. Very cool. Chester Park, very cool place. In an urban setting. Look it up, Chester, Delaware County, just south of Philadelphia.